That is a 6. I was going to say a problem. That's why you can't overpitch, because it costs you 6.
That brings up the 150.
Stay back he does, and away it flies into the people who celebrate with gusto.
And it does play spin exceptionally well.
Barbarism for 6. A beauty.
There he goes for that slot sweep. Into the crowd it goes for Rizwan.
Down the ground, has he got enough? He has! Flat 6! Oh, that is smoked! That has gone miles! He's launched that all the way. That is massive. Half a dozen.
Wonderfully bowled. The first scalp goes to Hassan Ali, and he does strike gold for his captain.
Yeah, the ball just angling back in, a bit of shape, which makes it swing back in. That's a terrific delivery to a left-hander. He's missed it completely, and the stumps are rooted. Hassan Ali, well, he'll enjoy that new ball.
Oh, out! What a beauty! He's on absolute fire. They cannot play him. Both openers are gone, and the Indian fans can just look on in disbelief.
Look at this wicket, 140 plus, and he's completely bamboozled him with the one that has nipped back in sharply. He's looked to play it on the offside.
Knocks him over with the final delivery of the innings, and Haris Rauf bags a haul of 4 wickets. 134 for 8, and it's a change of pace.
Yeah, again, you just kind of felt it was coming, having put the 149k ball away through the covers.
Mohammad Hafiz with a big one.
Oh, he's gone big. What a crunching blow that is. Oh, that's over the stands. Pakistani, let's rip.
That was just landing in his arc. That dipped from the leg spinner, allowing time for the left-hander Fakhar Zaman to getting underneath that bounce.
Backside, massive again. Fakhar Zaman has come to the party at the right time. 50.
What a hit. That is serious.
89 metres. I think it went further than 89 metres. That was still going when it got into the crowd.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. That is huge. That is fast hands. That is out of the ground.
Shovel leg side is his zone. Slow one, but 2 full. And Rizwan already had made up his mind that anything full is going. And it went a long, long way. 96 meters. Oh, that has smoked. That has gone miles.
Mitchell Stark missing his length, and Fakhar goes boom. High fives in the crowd.
There it was. Didn't get it that well, but well enough to get 4. Sandner was very wide.
Bat on the ball, and it goes screaming to the fence. Now does he preempt Sodhi? Does he stay back?
In Oman. Slashed away for 4 behind point, dragged down, poor start, Santner. The opportunity to go down the pitch, down the ground. Call us for 2. Should get 2. It's a very good side. This is high, hard, handsome, Miles from Malik. That might be enough to seal it. 12 from 15 now.
It's by no means a half volley, he's just followed it.
Goes way back onto his stumps to play the ball.
Yeah, but he picks the googly and then works it away now.
That ball there. That was all about the skill and movement of the batsman.
Very rarely is in any form. Plenty of runs on the leg side if they want.
Goes high, hard, handsome. Who says knock it round? Who says knock it round for 1, Nasser? What do we know?
Leg spinner, length, 6.
And the wicket doesn't time this one. They should get a couple here easily.
That is a 6. I was going to say a problem, but it carried. It just kept carrying.
Being a great player of spin, and his strength is down the ground, so he'd set himself up to hit it straight back over, be it wide mid-off or straight over the bowler's head.
Well, it's been a great burst of activity from the Pakistan batsman. This is showing Malik on strike. That's why you can't overpitch, because it costs you 6.
Default from the faster man is to pitch the ball up. It's a slow one, but it's too full, and that's always going to disappear.
Where they're mainly back, and he just blisters it down the ground, does he? He does. That is in itself a marvellous shot.